Now, Jamaican O'Shane Thomas is in contention for the Windies' second test against England on Thursday in Antigua after being added to the squad. Thomas, who has 6 wickets in 2 games in the regional 4-day season so far, was initially called up as a cover for fast bowler Alzarri Joseph. However, chairman of selectors Courtney Brown says Thomas has been added to the squad as a fast bowling option. The rest of the Jason Holder-led squad remains the same, with Craig Brathwaite, Darren Bravo, Shamar Brooks, John Campbell, Roston Chase, Shane Dowrich, Shannon Gabriel, Shimron Hetmeyer, Shea Hope, Alzarri Joseph, Kemar Roach and Jamel Warrican. West Indies batsmen Jermaine Blackwood and Rovman Powell have returned to the Jamaica Scorpions squad as the team departed for their 6th and 7th round of matches in the West Indies Regional 4-Day Championship today. Karen Madden reports.
With the Jamaica Scorpions once again without the experienced Nikita Miller for their trip to St. Kitts, Captain Paul Palmer Jr. is happy to welcome back West Indies players Jermaine Blackwood and Rovman Powell for their 6th and 7th round matches against the Leeward Islands Hurricanes and the Guyana Jaguars. Powell returns after sitting out the last game with a hamstring injury, while Blackwood rejoins the squad following his participation in the England warm-up matches. The players losing their spots are Andre McCarthy and Jermaine Levy.
They're good additions, they're West Indies players, so having them around is always a plus, added boost to the squad, and we're looking forward to going down there and to win these games.
In the meantime, Brandon King, who returned from injury with back-to-back half-centuries in the Scorpions' win over the Volcanoes, is hoping to carry on his good form after once again being among the runs in the JCA Super League at the weekend.
It's always good as a player to know that you're in good form. It just builds on your confidence, so I'm happy that I came in my first game for the season and I helped contribute to the win. And again, I came this weekend for Eastern Eagles and made some runs. So I'm just trying to make runs in whatever match is put in front of me, and that's basically it.
Another performer from the last game is spinner Dennis Bulai, who has 15 wickets so far this season, 10 of which came in the last game.
I'm looking forward to playing some hard cricket, some disciplined cricket. As I said earlier, we have to be more patient, so I'm not looking to try and change anything because it's the same kind of human being and they make mistakes also, so I'm not going to change much more than to try and stay disciplined and enjoy it, have fun.
The rest of the Scorpion squad reads Arain Williams, Chadwick Walton, Asad Fuddedin, Kenroy Williams, Aldane Thomas, Derval Green, Renard Leverage and Jerome Taylor. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.